See that right there? It's like a church. Ave Maria. Over there is a temple. Over here is a library. And I'm in Prachuap, Khiri. And I'm gonna give these two books, which I'm the author of, and give them over to the library. And then I'm gonna walk around, check out that seemingly Catholic or Protestant church and that temple, and then right over there's a monkeys. We're gonna look and check out some monkeys as well. Should be kind of interesting, so we're gonna start with that. 2023, COVID is over and we're on a road trip. I'm with a good friend of mine. We're gonna be doing lots of different cities all along the coast, not too far from Bangkok, so stay tuned and check it all out. That looks kind of cool. Love it, actually. Okay, so we're kind of looking for a library. So actually, I think I was in front of it, so I'm bringing these books over there. I was trying to talk to a Thai guy, and he was what he said kind of sounded confusing. Anyways, we're gonna check. We're gonna do that first. Okay, so now I'm kind of near this church. There's some kind of interesting stuff like this. I don't know what that is. It's interesting as well. And it looks like it's Ave Maria. And we're also gonna walk over towards this temple and that monkey area over there. So we're gonna check it all out. Let's just see what this is first. Oh, it is Catholic, okay. So this is actually a Catholic church, Holy Rosary Catholic Church. Looks like they got mass as well. Huh. Didn't realize they had Catholic church here in Prachuap, Khiri. Ave Maria. We got pigeons up there. So something a little bit different about this area. And then over there is where there's a Buddhist temple, and there's a bunch of monkeys over there. So I think we're actually gonna walk pretty free over there. I'm not a big fan of monkeys, so I don't know. But anyways, you're getting a little taste for Prachuap, Khiri. And it's kind of the hottest part of the day. But there it is in the background right there. Monkeys. Should probably be a separate video. But basically the main goal of this anyways is just to give, you know, some more images of Prachuap, Khiri. I know a lot of times people don't always, myself included, we don't always have good YouTube videos to really fully see places. And sometimes I'll see like a best of Prachuap, Khiri, or whatever city I'm interested in. But it's not very often that I can see, you know, just random details. So I try to fill that gap in by providing that. And this is going to be one of the Prachuap, Khiri videos. Love that. So much detail. So what I'm going to do is just going to walk, kind of see where we're at here a little bit. Looks like that's kind of a main highway out of here. And we have all these little Thai guys all the way across. So if I can get a chance, I'm going to try to run across it and get to that other road over on the other side. I don't know how well I'll be able to do that, but we're going to try. There we go. So we kind of got these guys right here. And also want to get over on this side, capture these ones too. Looks like we got another highway right here. We're gonna run across it, and we're kind of going towards the Buddhist area. Kind of see countless Buddhist stuff, the signs, and I thought those were kind of interesting. These kind of wave at the passengers when they come in, right? So that's a giant road into the city, and then you have these statues. And so we're basically on the periphery of Prachuap, Khiri is a fairly small city. So it's probably about maybe a kilometer wide along the ocean. The ocean is straight ahead. And right over there is this giant monkey temple. And I'm debating how close I want to get to that because there's a lot of monkeys over there. I don't have a strap on this camera, but they would be all the way over there. And there's a stray dog here, which is maybe better because I don't know if monkeys and dogs get along or not, but if they steal my camera and run away, I'm not going to be very happy. But anyways, you are getting a little taste for Prachuap Khiri and a general feeling of what it's like. Just kind of a random street. We're kind of on the southern end, going towards the ocean. Prachuap Khiri is the name. Prachuap Khiri Bay is where the ocean is at, and arguably that's probably the best thing to film, and I might film there a little bit again soon in a different video. I'm a little bit nervous because of the monkeys. And I don't have a good strap on this camera, so I don't know if I'll go by them or not. But you can walk up this monkey temple all the way up to there. And I guess what I'm gonna do is run across. And I'm sure we're gonna see some monkeys here, but there's a ton of them up there swinging around and having a good old time. I saw some here earlier, so maybe I don't see them now. There they are. There's some over there walking around that big statue. They steal things, so I got my camera loose, so I don't want to get it stolen. So I guess what I'll do instead is I'll just kind of show you what a lot of tourists do is they go up here. And of course I could film that, but I think there's tons of films of every YouTuber that comes to Prachuap Khiri films up there. So instead what I'm going to do is I'm just going to walk along the park here. If there's any monkeys, I'm going to be a little bit cautious. There's some over there. And we're just going to walk directly towards the ocean. And you can see the ocean in the background now. That's cool. You have these crustaceans and crabs and octopus, squid. There's a ton of monkeys over there. And you can see the water in the background straight ahead. So we are going to walk directly towards that. And you can see the temple way up there. Monkeys walking around. Yeah, I don't know, we'll see. Maybe later I might take a drive with a camera and film Prachuap Khiri a little bit. But for the moment, we're just going to walk directly to the water and kind of give you an idea. That's the main downtown, and then this right here is the ocean, and there's this beautiful boardwalk. That's the temple that overlooks it. You can see that temple from everywhere in the town. Nearly. Pretty cool. And in a moment, we're going to be at the waterfront. It's almost no cars. Amazing, right? We got the beach right there as well. There you go. little taste of Prachuap Khiri. I guess we started at the library. I gave away a couple books. You didn't see that exchange, but and then I saw that was a Catholic church. Saw the Buddhists. Kind of went by the temple. So you got a little taste of the city and a little taste of the ocean. We have a beautiful pier right here and so much more. So a little bit of Prachuap Khiri. All right. Another one from Thailand. You just saw another spot, and we're going to be doing lots more Thailand, so keep on coming back and checking it all out. And I got lots of videos. Usually I'm in Macau, but of course all of these are in Thailand. Enjoy them.
Toma cuidado la boquinha.